If you are running ads on Facebook and you're taking people from Facebook to your website, one of the things that you must have in place, you must have this in place, is a Facebook pixel. In this short video, I will just give you perspective what the Facebook pixel is and how it can benefit your business when you're running ads on Facebook for your website. And just as you know, we're talking about the big picture on this channel. I don't make how-to videos. If you need a how-to video, you're gonna have to check some other channel. Here, I just want to help you business owners out there, to elevate the level of understanding of this digital stuff so that you can hold accountable people that are delivering this service for you. And just in case you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Bojan. If you follow me already, welcome back. I have another great content for you. So, what is a Facebook pixel? Very simply explained, it's a piece of code that you put on your website so that Facebook, as a machine, it's a huge, giant learning machine, so that it can have information of what's going on your website. And if somebody clicks on your ad, they go to your website, Facebook will know that this specific person reached the website and took specific action. As simple as that. We are basically giving eyes to Facebook to know what's going on our website. And just to recap, whenever I say Facebook ads and Facebook, we are referring to Facebook and Instagram advertising because they always go together from your Facebook Business Manager. Just to be clear, for all of you maybe not being aware of this, whenever I say Facebook ads, we always think about Facebook and Instagram. Okay. Now, whenever I say throughout this video and some other videos that you might check after watching this one on my channel, whenever I say Facebook ads, we're talking about Facebook and Instagram advertising. Now back to the topic. We said the Facebook pixel is just a piece of code sitting on your website and giving ability to Facebook to know what's going on there, and when somebody lands from your ad to your website, so that Facebook actually gets the feedback on what this person, what kind of action they took on your website. Now, why is this important? Think about it. Facebook, it has 52,000 data points per person, So think about it. Do you even know like 500 different things about yourself, They went so far away with these predictions that it's crazy. They have so much data. And this platform itself basically can help and is helping a lot of businesses out there to generate more clients, more revenue. Because, you just drop some kind of video or photo out there, you write your ad, you say, this is what we offer. Hopefully you're not just creating some ads, confusing the machine. Be very direct, like this is our offer, this is what we do. And sometimes, like even the ad like that, as simple as it is, it will still generate some results. But if you are running ads towards your website and you are not sending this information back to machine, how can this machine know that, John Smith, they went to your website, they bought something, maybe they filled in application, and you want to send this information back, because then machine will know that John Smith actually took this action, and it will say, okay, let me find more of guys like John Smith, because I have these 52,000 data points about John Smith. Let me see how many more I have out there that have these specific characteristics that will be most probable to convert. And believe it or not, like this machine is really trying to help you out. It's not trying to trick you. But if you don't have like this Facebook pixel in place, the Facebook is blind. The machine doesn't know who took an action and what kind of action they taken on your website. So, the machine can just continue guessing who will be the best, but, without knowing who took an action, it will actually reduce the quality of your ad. It will cost you more per conversion. It will cost you more to advertise if you don't have this thing in place, if you don't have this Facebook pixel, if you don't send this feedback back to the platform. Now, you probably heard about some iOS updates. You heard about ad blockers, cookie blockers, and stuff like that. Those are all the things that are actually blocking Pixel for sending back this information. And I don't know, like these things, they are real. There are some blocking, like not all the traffic is sent back, not all the informations are sent back, but like from my perspective, when Apple, for example, introduced this, pixel blocking in their native platform, in the iOS 14, whatever version, doesn't matter. It actually, from my perspective, they just said, hey, Facebook, you cannot just get this data back without giving us a cut, So if you want to continue getting this data back, you'll have to pay us a bit, That does have to be true, but that's how I think. Imagine you are Apple, you have your users, people are using your operating system, and there's another company out there harvesting this data for free, So they probably got angry, say, okay, like you can continue doing this, but you're gonna have to pay a bit. And just in case that you want to even make sure that you overcome this problem, there's something that's called conversion API, where you're basically not sending information back through the pixel directly, but through your server and some other platforms. CRM can also send this directly back to Facebook if it's connected properly. For example, like filled in form, you can send back information. Booked appointment, you can send this data back to Facebook platform itself through your CRM, even if you don't have a pixel on your website. But again, you want to have pixel if you have your CRM and you want to have this conversion API, you want to put that to. Long story short, whoever is doing advertising for you, make sure that this thing is in place. Hold them accountable, talk to them. Like, do you have a Facebook pixel? Do you have a conversion API? Are those events set up properly? And talking about events, let's clarify what event represents in a Facebook advertising. Okay, so in the platform itself, Facebook Business Manager, there are multiple tools that you can use out there. One of them are pixels, and one of the things that you want to set up too are events. So if you connect your pixel properly, you want also to go there and to say, okay, so if somebody hits this specific page, imagine that somebody fills in the form, and when they click, I think that's the description, that's the headline of the video. Search for it. But long story short, you can get away with it, but again, it's also beneficial, even in that case, to have this Facebook pixel. Again, if you're sending traffic from Facebook to your website, Facebook pixel, it must be in place. If it's not, you need to talk to someone who's responsible for this in your business, because I don't expect you to go in there and do all this technical stuff. I don't want to even waste your or my time to explain how to do it. Again, we don't make how-to videos here. We just want to elevate the understanding, the knowledge of how this digital world works and how you and your business can benefit from it. If you liked the video, click like, subscribe, check out some other videos on my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.